Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix SSL Handshake failed error code 525. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open a Google Chrome or whatever you're using. And now you want to go in three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to third-party cookies. Now click see all site data. And now here, type in which site you're experiencing the issue with. Let's say YouTube, and now you want to delete the cookies for that site, and after you deleted them you want to go to that site and see if the issue is gone. Now if it's still there, you can click here on in the top left, and now you can go here on cookies and site data and then click manage on site data and delete all three of these. And once you're done, you want to click done, and now you can press Ctrl plus F5 to deeply reset the page. It will load a bit longer, and after it's loaded, you can check if it works well. That's it for this video. That's how you fix SSL Handshake failed error code 525. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.